Hello my friends, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be guiding you through a special episode. We're going to focus on cardiovascular health today. We're going to do a standing, walking cardiovascular exercise where we're going to get our heart rate up. This is perfect for any age group and getting the whole family involved. There will be no rests, and we're going to be performing each exercise for 60 seconds. Be sure to take this at your own pace. Let's go ahead and get ready to begin. We're going to start with a marching in place. We're going to simply start with a nice light march to get our body warmed up and to get our heart rate going. Let's go ahead and begin here. Join me. Let's go ahead and start with a nice light marching in place, keeping our head and our chest up. And we're focusing on moving our arms and our legs, getting ourselves warmed up. Focusing on breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. We're here again for the next at least 30 seconds left on the clock. We're going to be taking these at our own pace. Make sure you're getting warmed up, and let's go ahead and bring this up to get our heart rate going. We have a couple of seconds left here. In 20 seconds, we're going to be switching up to high knees. So make sure, again, take this at your own pace. We're just getting started. We're going to cover a mile in this. We're going to cover a good distance, giving ourselves the steps that are required for our daily health. Let's go ahead and switch up to high knees. Let's bring them up. Bringing our legs up a little higher this time, focusing on exhaling to get that knee up high. Focus again on breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Keep your head and your chest up. We're getting those hips warmed up, getting our booties warmed up. This is definitely good for the hips, for the legs, for the tummy. We're here to lose some weight. Make sure that we feel better, getting ourselves into the best health of our lives. Here we go. We have a couple of seconds left here. We're going to be moving on to skaters next. Skaters are going to be exactly what it sounds like. We're replicating a skating motion. Let me show you. We have 3 seconds left here, and we're going to be switching into these. Let's go. We're coming into skaters. We're sending our right leg back, and then the left leg. Focusing on keeping our head and our chest up. We're moving those arms. Breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Nice movements here. Sending that leg back. Performing a bit of a lunge. You got this, you're looking great. Here to feel better, get in motion, and stay healthy and active. We have a couple of seconds left here, and we're going to be moving to a no jumping jack. I'll show you what that's all about in just a few seconds. We'll be switching out of the skater in 10 seconds. And next up, we have a no jumping jack. Let me show you. We're going to step out one leg at a time as our arms come up. Left leg, right leg. And we're still focusing on breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Getting our shoulders warmed up here, getting our upper body in motion here. Focusing on nice light movements. Stepping out left leg and right leg. Arms are coming up as we step out. And we're breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. We have 15 seconds left of this move. And we're going to be going into a jogging in place next. Getting our heart rate up for the next 60 seconds. Here we go. We're going to begin moving nice and light on our feet. Stepping it up. Getting our arms involved, keeping our head and our chest up. We're moving a little lighter and a little faster on our feet. Bringing our heart rate up. Bringing our breathing pattern up. Find your breath and find your flow. Find a good rhythm and stick to it. You got this, you're looking great. It doesn't matter if this is difficult. Keep moving, you got this. This is you reaching that better you, finding better health for yourself. Keep on going. We have a couple of seconds left here. And we're going to be bringing it back down to a marching in place. Let's bring down the speed. We're moving our arms, we're moving those legs, coming into a nice light march. Focus on your breathing. Bring your heart rate down into a place where you can keep on going. Focusing on that light march for the next 30 seconds. Keeping our head and our chest up. We breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. Nice coordinated marching in place here. We have 10 seconds left. We're going to be bringing it up to high knees next again. Here we go. We're coming up. Go ahead and join me into a high knee. Alternating sides. We breathe out through our mouth and in through our nose, helping us get those knees up nice and high. Focus on getting that hip warmed up. We're moving a little faster now, moving with more coordination. Again, we're taking this at our own speed, challenging ourselves to get our heart rate up, break a little sweat, getting that cardiovascular health up. We have a couple of seconds left in our high knees, and we're going to skaters next. Here we go, skaters in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We're skating, sending our legs back, one at a time, coming into a bit of a lunge, focusing on that skating motion, keeping our head and our chest up, breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. You guys are doing great. Keep on moving. You got this. Keep bringing that energy today. Bringing that self-care in today. We have a couple of seconds left in this skater. We're going to be taking it into a no jumping jack next. Here we go. Last couple of seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We're going into that non-jumping jack. Sitting our arms up. Stepping out to the side. Moving with coordination, we're looking good. Keeping that head and chest up is where we can breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. Great job, my friends. We have about 20 seconds left in this no jumping jack, and we're gonna move on to another 60 seconds of running or jogging in place. Again, working up that heart rate, getting our lungs going here, focusing on a nice cardiovascular exercise today. Here we go. We're moving fast, bringing up the speed a little faster than we did on the first round of jogging and running in place. Nice and light movement on our feet. Landing nice and light. Keep our head and our chest up. This is where you challenge yourself, bring up that speed. You got this, my friend, you're not alone. We can do this. We have 20 seconds left here. Don't stop, you're more than halfway through this exercise. You're earning it. Here we go, last couple of seconds. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. We're bringing it down to marching in place. Moving a little slower. Giving ourselves a chance to catch up with our breath. We should be feeling nice and warm by now. Breaking a nice little sweat. We're focusing on just marching in place here. We have 30 seconds left on the clock. Keep your fingers moving, arms moving, excuse me. Focus on breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. We have 10 seconds left, and we're going into some high knees again. Here we go. High knees in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're bringing those knees nice and high. Using our exhale to help us get that knee up higher. We have a couple of seconds left in this move. 40 seconds left, and we're going to be moving in to some skaters next. Get those knees up nice and high. Keep on breathing, and keep your head and your chest up. Those hips should be feeling nice and warm. Putting them into work. Here we go, we have 10 seconds left of this move. We're moving forward to skaters next. Here we go, skaters in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We're marching and turning to skaters. Focusing on sending that leg back. We're skating here, keeping our head and our chest up. Working on our balance. Moving with coordination for the last couple of sets of this workout. We're down to the last 30 seconds of skaters. Stay with me, my friends, you got this. We'll finish nice and strong. We have 10 seconds left of our skaters, and we're gonna finish up with marching in place. Here we go, marching in place in 3, 2, 1. Nice light march. This is the last 60 seconds of our exercise. We've gone through all the tough parts. Keep breathing, bring your heart rate down slowly. Then you can start bringing down the intensity of your march. Nice and light marching in place. For the remaining 20 seconds of our workout. Great job, guys. You're almost there. Finish off nice and strong. We're bringing our heart rate down slowly here. Getting us ready to go into a cool down. If you need a cool down routine, feel free to check out my videos. I have a few playlists that will help you with your warm-ups, stretches, and your cool downs. And that, my friends, concludes today's walking cardiovascular workout. If you enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.